Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I am going to tell you about how you can reset your Wi-Fi settings in your Samsung TV. So let's start the video. First you have to, here it is the Samsung TV remote. You have to first click on this settings button and you will see settings are there. Then you have to uh, click on down button and click on general settings. Here it is the general. Then press right, here it is network. You have to press on it, then click on open network settings, tap on it. Here it is network type. If you have wireless, then click on it wire and mobile. I have wireless, so just click on wireless and you will see all are here networks. If you want to reset it, so first you have to click on reset network. Here it is the reset network. You have to tap on it and press OK. Reset. And friends, you can see resetting the network settings and it is now reset. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.